Starting your day with high protein breakfast is the best thing you can do for your weight loss efforts, and even if you just want to maintain your weight. And here is how you can make a very simple, very high protein, 45 grams of protein breakfast every single day. I've been eating it literally every single day lately because it's so delicious, and at the same time gives me enough protein to get through lunch. And I'm starting with just preparing my vegetables first. This is absolutely optional, but if you do enjoy some veggies, they just add so much flavor to everything that you just absolutely have to have. So I have some tomato, cucumber, avocado, and onion. And avocado serves here as my spread, buttery spread. And once I have everything prepared, this is some arugula. You can have lettuce if you don't have arugula, but also adds a little bit great crunch and flavor. So I'm going to start measuring my ingredients. And that's a side that I'm going to use, which is cottage cheese. And I'm using 4% fat cottage cheese because the flavor between 1% and 2% is actually pretty big. And there's just probably 30 more calories per serving per 4 ounces. So it's all worth it. And I just enjoy it so much more. And egg whites. Egg whites is a great trick to replace one of the eggs in my omelette. I'm going to use 4 ounces of it. You can, of course, use 2 eggs, but you're going to have more calories and less protein for the same amount of food. A little bit salt and pepper for seasoning. It seems I put a lot of salt, but not really. It's sea salt as well. And yeah, I call it an omelette. I just don't put any milk in it. And it's ready to go on a pan. And I do not put any grease, any butter, or any oil on the pan, obviously, to save calories. And if we have a non-stick pan like this one, nothing really sticks. And I let it set. I'm gonna use cheese, and this is a low-calorie, high-protein cheese. I have 7 grams of protein per this slice. I actually cut the slice in half. And to help the eggs set faster, I like to lift the corners, not the corners, but like the sides or edges, and let more egg touch the pan surface, and that's how it gets set a little bit faster. And make sure you don't have too high heat because it's gonna get very brown and crunchy, unless you like it that way. I like it a little bit on the softer side. And at this moment, I'm ready to put the cheese on it so it can melt perfectly. You can also add some extra protein in form of any type of meat you like. But with 45 protein per breakfast, I think I have enough. And little test, it seems like it's all set. And now I'm gonna fold it. And it's pretty much ready. That's how quick the breakfast is. You can also make it ahead of time. You can make it the day before, store it in the fridge, reheat it in the morning. And I'm ready to plate it all. So this 4 ounce of cottage cheese has 12 grams of protein. The whole omelette, when you count everything in it, is 26 grams of protein, which is definitely a lot by itself. And even the toast I'm using, 40 calories per slice, both of them have 5 grams of protein. You can omit that toast, but it's really not that many calories, and it's all worth it. It all comes together in a perfect flavor. And I'm going to cut it in half, so I'm going to put it on my toast. I'm going to create an open face sandwich. And this is just an ounce of avocado, so I'm adding 45 calories to my breakfast, but at the same time I'm adding tons of flavor, because if well ripe avocado serves for me as butter, and it does make a huge difference in the flavors here with this breakfast. And if you don't have an avocado, you can have some kind of low calorie soft cheese spread, a little bit of arugula, and omelette on top. Once you start your day with 45 grams of protein for breakfast, you're definitely going to be satisfied for a long, long time. Anywhere from 30 to 50 grams of protein per meal, it's a perfect start. Very simple ingredients. Most of us have them at home. It's very easy to assemble, and I dare you to try to see how tasty this setup is.